Hello! So I'm gonna bake a cake for Emily. It's gonna be vanilla cake with a cup of granulated room temp eggs, a mixture of dry ingredients. Okay, kita ang mga sinampay ko. A mixture of dry.
Also have here, let me reach out for it.
Yes, okay. So this is 1 cup of buttermilk. Let me put it back. And then I have my ever favorite vanilla extract. I really love, and I would need 4 teaspoons of that. So let me get started with the paper right there. And I'm gonna switch it on. So smooth and creamy na siya, and it looks almost white instead of yellow. But let's just wait for a bit more until it's well mixed before I add the room temp eggs. It should be 1 at a time. So the consistency should be like this, so very smooth. And then I'm gonna add vanilla, followed by the dry ingredients, which will be alternate between the dry and the buttermilk. Okay. Hold on. Put down. So ganyan siya, pantay siya. And then ready for the oven.